This is again the Brake Light Motorsports Sportbike LITE system. Just wanted to show you the different patterns that exist. There's 13 different patterns, including 5 different sound ones, but I'm going to scroll through a couple of different patterns and I'll change up the color while I'm doing it. This is also a sound pattern, so let's go ahead and give it some sound. Again, this is a Ghetto Blaster bike.